Hi everyone, just a really good video today. I'm very excited. It's Sunday afternoon, it's getting quite late, but my order arrived from Young Living today, so I'm really excited because I've got some new stuff that I've never had before from them. It's not all oils for a change. So I wanted to take you through the box of stuff. It is a big box. I did go a little bit crazy this month, but there was some things that I wanted to get for the household, and I got a whole lot of freebies as well this month. So let's dive in and see what I got this month. I absolutely love the household cleaner. So I bought, this is my second bottle. So I bought my first bottle, it was in my very first order that I bought from Young Living, and basically this is a concentrate, so you put a cap full in a bottle with a spray trigger and you just remake it as you go. And I use this cleaner for everything, for the kitchen bench, the toilets, the bathroom, the laundry. It's just a great cleaner and it smells really, really good. And obviously it lasts a long time. And it's just really nice to know that we're using a cleaner that's not got a whole lot of nasty chemicals in it, and it's a really good cleaner. It doesn't leave streaks all over everything. So we have a lot of stainless steel appliances, and we've got a polished concrete style kitchen bench, so when the light shines it you can see white marks if you're not careful, and this cleaner does not leave any marks. So absolutely love this. What else did I get? I got, I reordered these, so these are the Seedlings baby wipes. So no, I don't have a baby, but I like to use these to take my makeup off. They smell really, really good. They're lavender, they're just very calming and relaxing, and they do a really good job of just removing the excess makeup before I actually use my cleanser. So I love these, they're really affordable, and there's 70 in a pack, 72 in a pack. And I think the price, I've misplaced the thing, but they're around about the $20 mark, so way cheaper than anything we can buy here in New Zealand. I got some soaps. So normally I buy the Thieves soap because I really love the smell, but I wanted to try something a little bit different, so I got two. I got the lemon sandalwood, which I have had before, and that's really, really nice. And then I got the lavender oatmeal, which I haven't had before, so looks like this. So let's see what this one smells like. It smells beautiful. Smells like lavender. So, and oatmeal is meant to be very, very good for your skin, so I'm really looking forward to trying that one. Then I did a little treat for myself. I've had the lavender bath bombs before, but this time I thought I would try the stress away ones. So there's 4 in a pack, and absolutely loved the smell of Stress Away. It was probably one of my most popular oils when I first started buying them. I was obsessed with it. It has lime, it has vanilla. It's just a great relaxing oil. And for my little bottle, I actually put a roll-on top on it, and I just use it like perfume at night time. So I'm really excited to try these in the bath for a little bit of luxury. What else did I get? Oh, this one is a newbie. This one is a food item. So as you guys know, if you've been following me for a while, I'm doing an online course with a naturopath to help with adrenal fatigue and energy levels and just general gut health and overall well-being, which I'm finding really, really helping. Some of the things that she talks about is gluten, and I'm not gluten intolerant, but I know that some of the gluten in some foods is not very good for you. So Young Living have this Einkorn Cereal. So I was really interested to try this because this is made from grain that is done the old-fashioned way. So it's an old sort of wheat. So over the decades, wheat has actually become quite different to the wheat that it used to be because of processes and farming ways have changed. A whole lot of different things have changed basically. So wheat is not wheat as we used to eat it as humans. So Einkorn is meant to be done the old-fashioned way, and Young Living had a special with these. I think if you bought 2 boxes you got 1 free, so I thought, great, what a chance to try it. So I've got 3 boxes of cereal. Sounds a little bit odd, I know, but one of the philosophies behind this course that I'm doing is that you shouldn't be drinking coffee as your first meal of the morning. So when I get up in the morning at 5:30, within 20 minutes you're supposed to have your first meal, so your body's looking for nutrition when you wake up, because it's obviously just been fasting for 8 hours while you're asleep. So coffee is not a great thing to be putting into your body first thing in the morning. So I've been really concentrating on having a smoothie and having cereal in the morning as well. So normally what I'll do is I'll have a smoothie when I first wake up, and then when I get to work, because I get to work at 6:30 in the morning, by about 7:30 or 8 I'm starting to feel hungry, so I'm having cereal and yogurt or cereal and fruit, and I'm just finding it's really setting me up for the day, and my energy levels are really starting to improve, which is great. So I got that, and then another health thing that I got, which I haven't had for a long time, and I really enjoyed these. It's a drink, it's the Nature Red. So it comes like this. You can buy them in bottles, but I buy the little sachets because they're really convenient to take to work. So they just come like this, and you just cut off the top, and you drink one of these each day. So it's a box of 30. So these are full of wolfberry and a whole lot of other sort of berries and essential oils, and just really great for your body and nutrition. It's a natural form of energy. And I have a soda stream, so I like to make sparkling water, and I've heard that this is really good in your sparkling water with some ice as a nice refreshing drink at the end of the day. So a great way to cut down on the wine is just to have something else that's really, really nice. So I thought, great, I'm getting back on these because I really used to enjoy those. I did get a few oils. I can't remember what I ordered though, so let's have a look. So this one was a freebie. I got a little 5 ml of geranium. So because we ordered over a certain amount this month, we got some freebies. So this was one of them. So I absolutely love geranium. Geranium I use in my oil serum for my face, and it's also really nice in the diffuser. It's a sweet floral. And Peace and Calming. So I used up my first bottle of Peace and Calming. This stuff is just amazing. If you love orange scented things, citrus, this is just, it's one of the best things ever to wear. So normally I keep a bottle of this. I had my first bottle, I had a rollerball on it, and I kept it near my chair at night time, and as I was watching TV at night, I used to just roll it on. It's so calming, so relaxing, just an amazing oil. So not the cheapest, but it definitely lasted me for at least 12 months, I think. I didn't put it in the diffuser, I just used it as a roll-on. So really happy to have another one of those. And then the rest was some freebies. So this is really cute. So one of the freebies we got was this really cute little bag, pouch, carrier, not sure what you would call this. It's rose gold, which of course I'm going to love, and it holds 7 little bottles of oil. So I thought this would be great to have on my nightstand, because I do tend to get quite a collection next to the bed where I keep changing out my diffuser blends, and then I have to carry them all back and swap them all out again. So yeah, really cute little thing. Happy to have that. And the other freebie we got was a lip gloss. So I'm really intrigued to try this. I haven't tried any of the makeup range from Young Living except for a foundation powder. Oh, it's a pretty colour. The colour is, I think the colour is called Brilliant. I'm not 100% sure on that, but it's this gorgeous pink. And it's just a really pretty pink. So I think I'm going to be quite happy using that. And it smells minty. So yeah. Oh, feels minty too. So there you go, guys. That was my May Young Living order. Very excited to have these things. I'll let you know on how I go with the cereal and the lip gloss if you're interested. If you've tried these things, by all means, let me know. What do you think of them? But until next month, I hope you enjoyed this little haul from Young Living, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.